What's up, everybody? It's Simon. You're watching Cryptechology, and on today's episode, we're gonna go over the market social sentiment, as well as creating your on-chain resume. So it's important if you're looking for a job in crypto. And one of the main things that I've noticed throughout this journey of mine is that you need to figure out how you can prove your knowledge, how you can prove your skills, um, and how you can let other people know that you're in the trenches. You're using crypto and you can speak chain language. I just made that up. I don't know. But anyway, but before we get into that, we're gonna talk about the social sentiment. Okay. So let's see what's going on in the blockchain, DeFi, crypto world today. So everyone knows BTC. We're at those testing levels again. We are testing the current levels. I'll put that chart up when we go and check that out. The current social volume score, we're up about 14%. Social engagement measures the total social activity, includes upvotes, faves, retweets, replies, and followers. So we're up about 21%, which is a good sign. Shared links, that's self-explanatory. Active contributors, all right, number of people have posted about cryptocurrency in the last 24 hours. We're up 82%. That's a good sign. I like that. The social sentiment, we're up 1.05%. The social sentiment is organized from 0 to 100%. We want to know about the bearish to bullish. It is a score of the overall bullishness or bearishness sentiment of the collected posts. We also have the total spam volume going down. What is that? That is a bot or repetitive shilling activity on a coin. We are seeing a tuned to capture as much spam as possible as it's collected. So spam is up 4.76%. Total market cap, however, the market cap is the total of all circulated tokens multiplied by the current price. We are down 4.4% at $1.43 trillion for total market cap. The BTC dominance right now, that is the social mentions and activity from Bitcoin compared to all other cryptocurrencies. It looks like we're just up a measly 0.13%. News volumes, all right, we are up 10.93% on news volumes. There are people talking about crypto. I like that. That is a good sign. That is the market social sentiment in the last 24 hours. So let's check out the trending post. How to boost share prices in short term, buyback and burns on the rise. Coinbase wallet starts offering support for Polygon network. That's a pretty good one. I definitely would like to go check that out, but we don't have time in this video for that. So we have Bix video news show. Is Shibu Inu ready to rebound? I don't like Shibu, so I don't care. All right, nifty news. All right, Amex and SZA sellout debut drop. A6 launches tokenized footwear. Space Jam, I think that's an NFT, the Space Jam one, so that looks cool. Probably we should go check that one out. And what do we have here? Whale from 2012 transfers 740 Bitcoin worth 26 million after BTC sat idle for 9 years. Wow, that's a pretty cool. All right, so the coin of the day is Cosmos. I like that coin of the day selection. That's a really great Cosmos. They're working on cross-chain technology. Go check out Cosmos. Yeah, that's a really good one as well. So we're gonna check out the Galaxy score metric right now. We have Avalanche Cake Monster, Million Tech Lead. Oh, look at Million on the charts. If you don't know what man, if you don't know about right now, I don't know what to tell you. Then you're not in crypto, okay? Because my man Tech Lead literally created some millionaires, probably. Well, at least half a millionaires. I know somebody leveled up about 400K off of that. Man, I wanted to make a move on this one, but I couldn't. My computer froze up right when I was trying to swap on Uni, and yeah, I'm feeling that FOMO on that one. Hex, all right, Hex has been going around. That's been talking a lot right now. It's got a Galaxy score of 77. Safe Moon at 74. Algo's been my shit. Algo's my new fave. Algo is my new love. Nah, Algo's got a solid blockchain crypto project. I really like what they're doing over there. You can actually go and invest on digital property, like real world property, a house for sale. You can do like group ownership, group investment onto that house on the blockchain. That's really cool. I also know they just put like 10 million to Helium stake in, so anything that's supporting Helium I like. So Algo, I like that you are on the top 10 for Galaxy score at 74. All right, Crypto Crow chilling at 9 and Cream Finance, Axie Infinity, and Yushi. I don't know those ones, but I know Crow, and that's about it. So let's check that out. Let's go with the. Let's check out real quick the Twitter volume. Let's see what Twitter volume. You know, people are talking about Bitcoin. Obviously, Doge's been just chilling up there, yo. You cannot knock the Doge. The Doge is just on people's mind. It doesn't go away. Then we got ETH. Oof, ETH. It's hanging. It's hanging. Don't give it up. Pancake Swap. XCI. Oh, that's twice. I'm going to have to look into that. Safe Moon. Shiba Inu. Everrise. Cardano. Ada. Or Cardano. Yo, Cardano, you got to step it up. I'm telling you, you got to step it up, okay? You got to come out with something. All right. And then we got Elrond. All right, cool. So that's the Twitter volume going on right now. What is that? Look, it's the activity highlights, activity from all collected posts over the selected time period. About 24 hours. Right here, we are looking at the recently added coins to the chain. So we got MM. All right, you know what? We're going to click on MM because we're just going to add that to the favorites right there. And we're going to see where this coin started. All right, so I think it like opened up at like 18 bucks or something that came down. But now it's just been on this run. And it's, you got to be shitting me. Is that the real price right now? 155? What the? Yo, man, I was contemplating like getting in at 8. It was 890 something we had to drop. Hold on a minute. Yo, what? Oh, man, that is, that's awesome. Hey, yo, it's got a number 2 and the alt rank score right now. Wow. A 77 Galaxy score. All right, so if you don't know what the alt rank, so let me show you. The alt rank measures the coin's performance versus all other coins, okay? It's versus all other coins right now. My man is sitting at 2. At 2. Yo, go ahead, tech lead. I got to give you your props, brother. You're doing your thing. In general, the alt rank is a unique measurement that combines altcoin price performance relative to Bitcoin and other social activity indicators across the entire crypto market. It's a coin can have a high alt rank of 1, even in a bear market situation like we are right now. So give it up for Million MM. You're doing it, bro. You're doing it. Look, top influencers, obviously tech lead. All right, he's the creator of Million Token. Where can you get Million Token? Well, you're going to have to go over to Uniswap to get that and swap it out. Get some DAI and swap it out. Get some ETH, swap it out. All right. I'll show you an example of how you can go ahead and do that after this real quick. So we're just going to check to see what else is going on in the markets right now. Let's go chronological. What are people talking about? People are talking about Doge, Ethereum, Bitcoin. We saw that. We saw that. Okay, yeah, that's what everyone's talking about right now. You know, but there's a few things I kind of want to look up. Let's see what's going on with Helium because I got to talk Helium, all right? I mean, I got to talk Helium because I love it. We're building the IoT network of the future. If you don't know about Helium, if you don't know about HNT, you need to step up your game. You need to step it up because this is the new blockchain. We are creating the IoT network of the future. We're doing big things, big things. All right, let's see what's going on with Helium. We have a successful install. We got the largest validator network on the blockchain. HNT stake validators at 1,796 validators. Wow. 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 Yo, we are killing the game. Taking it. Let's check it out. Top blockchain service by year-to-date performance. And let's see. Let's take a look at that picture. What do we have? What do we have? Oh, HNT sitting at number 3 year-to-date with a 9.26x. That's lovely. That's lovely. Then we got audio. I really like audio. All right, Hex. Wow, that's really awesome. That is awesome. Congratulations to Helium. Congratulations to everything you guys are doing. Yeah. Oops, sorry. All right. So what else is going on? What else is going on? Anything good? We got solar setups being made right now. That's really awesome. We also have Bobcats. People are talking about the Bobcats. All right, we got some good placements right there. We got ShareSpot doing their thing out in Portugal. Give it up to ShareSpot. They've been, really have been doing some work, putting up hotspots. People are mapping. That's awesome to see. This network is growing. This is just beautiful. This is just beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right. All right. That's awesome. Let's just let's move on. to the next thing. So we're also gonna check out the current markets across the board. Well, obviously we know what's going on. Those are my favorites. So we're gonna have to go to see out of all the coins. We're gonna see. Well, we already know that MM is number 2. Oh, but they're also like number 2 on the Galaxy score. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. You got Cake Monster. Pro is coming up in the game again. They're starting to try to make some moves. Algo sitting at number 9. I like that. All right. So we got some decent coins going on. Let's see who's the most correlated. What's this? This is the correlation rank, and it's used to define the correlation between the social engagement and the coin price. So it looks like Hex is at number 1. Got Chromia at 2. All right. Everrise, Gala Token, Ultra, Doggy, Ash Coin. All of these coins are literally, their price is correlated to the social engagement. To the, if people are talking about it, it's gonna be. Look at Audius number 20. Okay, with a 90 correlation rank. So some people can say this is a good thing. Some people say it's a bad thing. But you know what? I want to know who doesn't get affected by the social engagement. All right, which coins will still do their thing no matter what people are saying. So, well, no one's talking about these coins, obviously, because I don't even know most of these.
But that's the whole purpose of token metrics. The idea is to find hidden gems before anybody really knows about them. And Helium, for those who've been subscribed and following us for a while, you know that we've been very, very bullish on Helium. I myself have been mining out for the last, I don't know, 3-4 months now at this point. So I'm in on Helium. Just want to kind of put that out there. I definitely do have skin in the game. All right, so, but regardless, because CoinMarketCap will list it once it's on 2 or more exchanges. So let's give it, I would say, 2 to 4 weeks before CoinMarketCap has Helium on there. So ignore the trading data, but the fundamentals and technology grade is still the same. But regardless, once the TA score starts pulling in, you guys can see we're very, very bullish on Helium. It's going to be, in our opinion, a very, very good project, especially with the market cap. Now, just go through our past videos for more intel on that. Going through.
All right, so look at this. So you add yourself to a farm, and you'll need to improve the contract of what you'll want to do. So there's a couple things you can do. Okay. So this yield farming is Dragon Ball Finance. I really like it because I love Dragon Ball and anime. It's a small pool, super young. I'm using this because I wanted to actually just like use it as a test. But I really like Dragon Ball too. And I just wanted to see like, what is this all about? I didn't want to put a lot of money on the line, and this is just like the perfect yield farming Dapps that's currently on on the Binance Smart Chain. So when you go and connect your MetaMask wallet, or I'm not MetaMask wallet, your Binance wallet, you're gonna have to change it up here. So you can in your wallet you can change the different blockchain networks that you can connect with. All right, and for this Dapps stands for decentralized application, DeFi. All right, it's decentralized finance. Okay, so for this Dapps here, we want to make sure that our wallet is on the Binance Smart Chain network, and that's how we'll be able to interact with this Dapps here. So you have farms. All right, so what am we looking at? So here you can stake LP tokens. What's LP? It's a liquidity provider. And when you stake this pair, you'll earn the yield token, or the farm token, which is D-Ball. All right. Once you approve the contracts of the LP pairs that you want to farm on, then you'll be able to add your coins to it. So let's just go through an example. So I'll click approve contract. What that'll do is that'll automatically pop up my wallet here on the side, and I would just need to confirm that. Each transaction on the blockchain, no matter what chain it is going to require a gas fee. And this is the gas fee signified right here. It's going to cost me 10 cents to do this. I think I got 14 cents left in here. I haven't added to my wallet. I am so sorry. I probably should do that before this video. But we're not going to go through it. But what you will do actually is click confirm, and that will approve this contract. So it will approve the D-Ball and the BUSD LP pair. But I don't need that pair right now, so I'm just going to click reject. So when I did approve this contract, and you can see I have 12.6 in this pair currently being staked, and I'm earning 247% APR. So APR, what does that stand for? So the APR is to calculate based on your current rates. It's compounds daily, once daily, and the rates are estimates provided for your convenience only. By no means it represents guaranteed returns. So this is just explanation of your ROI on an investment of a 1,000 of what type of returns you get. So in one day you'll get about 0.68%. In a week you got 4%. 30 days 22%. And if you actually decide to chill for the entire year, you can get about 1,000% on your returns here. So this is D-ball per 1,000, and price of D-ball I believe is right here. And another good thing is if that also increases, that will help. So you'll go ahead and click harvest, and once you harvest, see, sorry, this is insufficient balance. So this is what will happen actually when you want to try to interact with the blockchain, but you don't have enough to cover the fees. So it actually won't allow you to go through with the transaction. I like doing this because just I just like having everything there. I'll normally connect my hardware wallet and just transfer coins over and then do my transactions that way instead of keeping everything on the wallet and right there and available. So that's what happens. So you'll want to click harvest, and oh, did I forget to click reject or something or close that out? Okay, I know I did. All right, so that's how you will actually gain yield on staking an LP pair. Another thing you can do is join in the pool. So just like before, you will have to approve the contract, and what they'll do is they'll pull up your wallet and it will make sure that you're granting permission for that contract, and you're going to pay the gas fee. That's where you'll click confirm, but we're not going to do that, so I'm just click reject. All right, so but I've already approved the contract for D-ball and for Senzu, and I have about 3,100 D-ball staked here, and I'm earning 103.41%. This actually has decreased. It was a higher percentage when I first started, so that's something you always have to watch over is the APR, because that does change. And then you'll click harvest and go through the process. Harvest is just a word for collecting the coins that you have earned. So I will be able to collect what D-ball I've earned, and if I want to add more to my stake, because that's kind of the strategy, you take the yield that you've earned, and then you compound it. So and then you add it to what you're currently staking. So that's compounded. So what does that mean? So I started with like 2,000 under here, and I earned some D-ball. So I would harvest, and then I would add it to my stake amount. So now that 103%, well, it's different before, but just for this example purposes right now, that 103% that was originally at 2,000 is now going to be at 3,174, whatever I increase my staked amount for. So this will tell you, all right, I actually have about 733. So let's go ahead and add that right now. Let's see, I don't know if I can. Oh, I can't. I forgot. So here we go. Transaction. So it's 34 cents. So it's a lot cheaper to interact with the Binance Smart Chain versus Ethereum. But Ethereum fees have been going down, so it's actually a little bit more easier of a barrier financially to interact with Ethereum blockchain. But it's not as cheap as this stuff. But anyway, so normally this box right here would be highlighted, and I'll be able to click on confirm. Now it charged me 34 cents for the gas fee, and what that would happen was it would just add the 733.52 numbers to my current staked amount, and then I'll start earning again. And it's the same process here in Senzu. So I have 11.3, but on this one you're getting 113.8%. Now you can also do some other pools, but I decided to do these pools because, well, that is actually the highest APR I see here. And the deposit fee on this one was 0%, so I didn't have to worry about paying anything there. But there is a deposit fee of 3% for the rest of the pool, so you do have to take that in consideration as well. So another pool that I'm involved in, just to give you another example, is Knights DeFi. So Knights DeFi is just another pool that has a little bit more liquidity added to it. So as you can see, I'm just like stepping up my game just a little bit. So I just connected my Binance wallet to it, and you can see it automatically populates my information on here. So this is a little bit more advanced. There's a lot more pairs to this. There's more you can do. They have this lottery thing that you can get into. I actually won last time. You got a ticket, and then it rewards you the pot, which is really cool. I believe I won like a week or 2 weeks ago. That was really awesome. And it's literally like if you have these numbers, and then it just tells you how much you win. So let's just go to the home page. So this is going to tell me my farm and staking. So right now I have 195 night that I can harvest, just basically full reward. This will tell me the dollar amount in fiat, how much it's actually worth, and I believe that's what this is shilling. These are the different tokens that they have on their yield farm Dapps, and It's really cool actually what you can do. So it'll also tell you how much you have in your wallet, and I believe so. This is the price of nights. Yeah. So if this also increases, then that's what this increases as well. And then you have other legends, Squire, and some other ones. We're gonna go through that real quick. So this will let you know about your lottery win-ins. You can earn up to 268 APR percent just by farming, and we'll go over that in a second, exactly what that's about. So you have your shilling stats. I don't have shilling right now, or yeah, I don't think I have any shilling. But this is gonna tell you the price of each of their coins that we have. So we have shilling worth that amount. We have the Squire, Knight, Legend, and Table. So the current total value locked across all farms pools on the battlefield at 147,000, and the total battlefield rewards remaining is about 45,000. There's also in the battlefield, here is another way that you gain strategies of improving, of gaining of yielding more coins. So you'll just actually you can add which is staking with the plus sign, or you can remove unstake with the minus sign. I have some Squire and some Knight, and I tell you how much you get rewarded or per block. So you get 0.25 per block and get 80 per block on this one here. You can also go to farms. So in farms, it's similar as what we saw in Dragon Ball Finance. Just click on details. It'll let you know the total liquidity in that current pool. All right. So here you would have to approve the contract just like it's before. So on this one, I'm getting 228% APR and 182% APR on those two here. Table, I approved this contract, but I don't have anything earned into this table. $3,000 worth. Then you also have Knight and BNB pair. I have about 4.8 over here. These two staked, and also I'm earning some Knight, so I can harvest it, then add it, so I gain some more to it. And I believe that is all I have on this one. And then you can also, go ahead and work on the pool. So I have the Knight pool, and so you would harvest and then compound. So compound, I think it just automatically does the both transactions. So just pull it and then also add it at the same time, and so you don't actually have to click twice. So they kind of make it really easy with that one. We're not gonna go ahead and do that now because I don't have enough to pay for the transaction fee currently in the wallet. But this is the current total in this pool. I believe, yeah, it's 1.8 million this pool right now, and getting about 114% off of that value. So I earned some Knight, and then I added to my staking amount. Oh, yes, I had some amount. And then how much? Let's see how much gas fee. So it's not much. It's 31 cents for gas fees. Really not bad at all. And then you go ahead and add it and go through the course. So this is yield farming, and this is how you can really earn some nice yield. Always watching Cryptechology. I just want to say thank you for supporting my channel, and thank you for hitting that like button. Returns on your crypto, and when you go to like legitimate, yield farming sites like so let's go and check out. Well, hold on. Here's another thing. There's another thing you can do too with crypto. So you have DYDX, or actually let's do Compound. So Compound Finance is pretty cool. So Compound Finance has currently about 12.8 million in assets. Compound Protocol currently has 68 million of VAT earnings. So these are all the different things they have on their site. So let's go check out the market here. And the markets will let you know their total supply that they have and the total amount borrowed. So this is a really great financing tool that will allow you to borrow funds off of your collateral. So what do I mean? So let's just go to the app, pull that up, and why is this doing this automatically? I need to turn that off. And darn it, I can't remember which. I think it was my Coinbase wallet. Yeah. All right. So this is the supply balance and the borrow balance. And the supply balance is what I've added. So I have about a little bit of ETH here, 0.07 ETH, and some Uni as well. Wait a minute. Where's my Uni? So right now, I'm not even using this money. I'm just literally testing it out, seeing how it works, and I'm actually getting rewarded in compounds by doing that. It's the current price of compound, and I can claim 29 cents. But I mean, it's 29 cents of free money. I didn't. It's not mine. But I originally imagine like if that was like 13,000 in there or 1,300 in there or something like that. This 29 cents would be probably like $2 or $29 or something. So this is just like a really good tool to just save your crypto. You kind of like put it here and it'll just save, and you can decide to say, you know what, I have my crypto here and I'm not going to use it. I don't plan on selling it. You know what? If I put it up as collateral, I can gain some percentage. So for ETH, you can earn like 0.24%, but say you want to put up some DAI, you could get 2.53% from doing that. So you would supply or repay the compound protocols, and you need to enable it first. So enable it is almost like approving a contract in the yield farm in Dapps before. So enable, and this will, I don't have my phone on me to finish confirming, or the transaction actually, hold on. So what this is actually doing, it's pulling up on my Coinbase wallet on my phone, and it's asking me right now, all right, hold on, I found my phone. So and it's letting me know that mining fees are high right now. So it will cost me $2.77 to enable this transaction. And to do this, however, if I didn't want to do this right now, I will click cancel. But it's also a good thing to do because like it's pretty cool that it lets you know like when fees are high or fees are low. So I come back and say, you know what, let me do this while people aren't heavy on the blockchain right now, and I'll come back and do this. But essentially, you'll put up your collateral, and then you'll say, you know what, I'm gonna want to borrow some money, and then I believe you can use that borrowed funds to do things with. But I haven't actually used my borrowed funds yet, because I just wanted to just test this out. But so this will tell you how much APY you're accrued from borrowing. So this is the interest earned and paid plus the comp. So I'm still down minus 0.94%. However, I could actually increase that if I strategize this correctly. So there is a way that you can put up your collateral, borrow funds, and then the return that you get earned on compound essentially could pay the interest or the for borrowing the funds, and then if there's a gap or difference between the two amount, essentially you'll be rewarded that percentage. I know I didn't explain that correctly. I will make another video going in more detail about that, but Compound's a really great tool, or Dapps rather, to do that. DYDX is another one you can do similar things with as well, and then you can also trade. So you have the markets here. It'll explain to you. You can borrow on DYDX, and you can do some spot trading on here too. You always want to make sure your wallet is connected. And all right, yeah. So I have 0.1 ETH in here, and if I wanted to do margin trading with that, I could use that. You have perpetuals. I haven't really got into that part. This is your portfolio to let you know the total value of your portfolio. So I have about $193 here, and not really doing anything with it right now, because it's all just for testing purposes. But they have different pairs that you can trade with on DYDX. And if you did want to borrow on DYDX, so it's not as like easy to look at, but if you understand the strategy, you can still go through it. This will let you know the type of assets you can borrow. So you can borrow either Ethereum, USDC, or DAI. So say if I wanted to borrow some DAI, I can put in the max amount I'm allowed to borrow. So I can borrow 193 DAI. The interest rate on that is at a yearly interest rate of 5.43%. Interest is earned, paid continuously down to the second. Interest rates are variable, so will change over time. This is what you'll need to put up. That's collateralization. The ratio of your account collateral values to borrow negative. All accounts must maintain a collateral ratio of 115%. So the collateralization ratio is lower than the minimum threshold of 1.25x. So I would have to change that. Oopsies. So let's say I want to borrow 100 bucks. I should be able to borrow 100. Yeah. All right. So look. So everything is good. I can borrow $100 without having to sell my ETH, and I can borrow it, and it will send it to my Coinbase wallet to borrow DAI. So we're gonna go ahead and see what happens. Click on that. All right. Hold on. Let's try this one more time. DAI. Ah shit. My wallet got disconnected. So let's connect my wallet. All right. So we're connected here. Now we're gonna borrow 100 bucks. All right. This is how much I have collateral. I'm gonna borrow. Just sending something to my phone. Saying okay. Now there is a transaction minor fee for this. It's $20.77 to borrow this and do this transaction. So I'm actually not gonna go ahead and do that right now. But that essentially would be how you can borrow funds against your coin without having to sell any of your crypto. And DYDX 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 is a is a great place where you can go ahead and do that too. So all right, cool. All right, so we're gonna go over now Uniswap to check out how the heck do you get that million token. So say you want to get some of that MM, right? So this is Uniswap, the decentralized trading protocol. It's guaranteed liquidity for millions of users and hundreds of Ethereum applications. So we're going to go ahead and click on Launch App here, and this is just going to pull up probably the application for Uniswap. And well, we need to make sure that the wallet is connected, and I think it is, but there's probably two wallets. Yeah, there we go. So I had multiple wallets trying to connect at the same time. So let's just pull up my Coinbase wallet again. I also have MetaMask wallet too. I just haven't tried this actually with my Coinbase wallet yet, so I want to use my Coinbase wallet because I got a little bit of ETH in there and some Uni right here. So if I want to get that MM, we'll go ahead and click MM and click that right here, and we're gonna say, hey, I want to, I'm gonna put up 1.4 Uni. That comes out to $25. That's gonna give me, 0.15 mm if I wanted to go ahead and swap. So it allow Uniswap protocol to use your Uni, and then you'll be able to swap. And this is in V3, but man, MM is at a price a lot higher than I was expecting right now. I am not lying. I am FOMO in feeling like, man, I wanted to get in at $8, but we're not going to do that. But for example purposes, I did get this Uni for free. So essentially, I should probably still, let's just see. Man, but is this fine at the top? I have no idea. Well, let's find out if it is, because let's pull up that chart, MM million chart. Ooh, it may not even be on here, actually. Yeah, we're gonna have to look at it in, let's see, CoinGecko. I could probably look at it in Uniswap, but I didn't want to mess this up. Let's do it anyway. Charts. Duh. MM, here it is. Boom, it's at 161. Wow, wasn't it just at like 155 when we just started? We're gonna click that star and add it. Man, oh man, look at the volume right now. 65 million, 11. Look at that difference in volume. That's freaking crazy. BVL right now is, look at that. Is that, wow. Wait a minute. It was just at $8. Where was it dropped to 8? Is it this day? Yeah, wait. No, it wasn't this day. No, it wasn't this day. Oh, it was right here. It was this day. July 8th. Yep. Yep. This is the day I was like, man, I want to get into it. And on the, yeah, no, it was this. He's right here. Was this all same day? Yeah. What is my candle? What are these? Are these hour candles? Yeah, they're hour candles. Okay. So, yep. Look at that. 860. Right here. Yep. 7 p.m. This was. Yep. It was about right here. I was looking at it, and I'm like, man, I should probably get in on it because there was a run up to like 20 something, and I was just like, wow. And wow, you want to talk about missing a move? Yeah, no, I'm not swapping in right now. Oh, I'm sorry. There, like the trader in me tells me like, no. If it pulls back, I essentially would like it to pull back here and grab support. For the next run up, but I wouldn't be surprised if this is at 200 tomorrow and I'm kicking myself. So, but I'm not getting. Let me see. So, what's the total supply? Can I look at the total supply here? I believe so. Oh, it is red. Mm, mm, mm. Lot of red. Couple greens. Damn. All right, million. So we have our total circulating supply of 1 million. I knew that. I don't know why I forgot about that. That is, it's the supply. Wow, that is the total supply. But hey, sometimes you need to verify, some information. So this is the what it is in BTC. This is what it is in ETH. All right, this is your contract address. It's actually really important. So you can add this to MetaMask. This is essentially like if you wanted to check more about this token and the legitimacy of it, well, a good thing, and just like what's been going on with it, good thing you want to do is be familiar with Etherscan. Etherscan will let you know all of the transactions on on Ethereum blockchain, and what you'll do is you can look up a address right here, and it will tell you about it. So this is a contract address or token address rather. So you would copy your token address and you can paste it in right there, or you can put in your MetaMask wallet or any other address and say you wanted to figure out like the transactions that wallet has or that address has. And it's gonna let us know the total max supply, the current holders. So it's up 27% of new holders here. How many transfers lately? The official site it has, and social media profiles. And these are all the most recent transactions that's been happening. As you can see, people using Uniswap, getting some. Wow, wow. That's some big ballers over here, yo. Need to step my game up, I guess. This is how long ago the transaction was, the method that was used. All right, so this will tell you the holders. Tech Lead obviously is the biggest holder. He's got 11% of it, so that's actually a good sign. He's not, paying ownership of it. Even though he's got a decent amount in there, it's not like he's at 50% or something. So that's really cool. All right, here we got some more information. This will let you know the exchanges that you can use to trade. These are the decentralized exchanges, trades here, the contract, read contract, and then the write contract. So this is gonna let you know like what's the code, the query. All right, so say for example you wanted to know the address, the balance of of the address. So we're gonna query this address here, and it's gonna let us know. Obviously, I would have to convert it, so forth. So that's equal to about 33 ether. So that's cool. All right, I'm sorry. I like really went down a rabbit hole. I went down a rabbit hole with y'all. My bad. So here's some more analytics. Another thing you would want to go through and check here to see. All right. Oh, also. All right. So we've gone over yield farming. We've shown you Uniswap. I showed you a little bit of MetaMask. Also showed you a little bit of Binance Smart Chain and that wallet. How to interact with different Dapps. I showed you a new token versus old token. We went over the social sentiment of the crypto market, and we're gonna go over some NFT. Doge Lord Apparel.
Doge Lord.
DogeLord.com. You can mint your own NFT and you can buy and trade NFTs all day on this and everything like that. So just like every other dApp, you want to make sure you're going to connect your wallet to it. Once you connect your wallet, then you'll be able to interact with the dApp. Remember, dApp stands for Decentralized Application. All right, so we're just going to click on my name here and see if I have any of my own NFTs. Click on my items. And as you can see, I have 2 NFTs that I've minted myself, and I have no bids on them, but it's all right. So we have this NFT that I've minted here for the Helium Crew. And then also we have this NFT I've minted myself as well, Disturb the Mind. So here you can find those NFTs on Rarible, but if you want to also just like see what other NFTs are available, you can explore. So one of my favorite NFT groups on Rarible, we have Mayweather on here. He's doing his thing, so we're gonna look that up. I believe is no. Oh man, what is Mayweather's NFTs? Off the top of my head, he had some really nice NFTs. Mayweather. Oh, for something like that. There we go. Yeah, so we got some NFTs by Floyd, Money May. All right, we gotta like those things. All right, you know what I mean. Gotta give some love to the champ. You don't know about Mayweather. I don't know where you've been. That's the champ, okay? Champ. Oh, I don't want to try again. That's the champ. But the champ. I don't got that much ETH, champ, or I would be buying some of your NFTs. But anyway, so yeah, that's that right there. Another thing, OpenSea is another place you can hang out and get some NFTs as well. OpenSea. All right, OpenSea. Man, do I have an OpenSea profile? I think I do, but I don't remember. But here they have some other awesome place to get NFTs as well. And another thing I wanted to show you guys, man, this was really freaking cool, yo. So if you are into horse racing, all right, you gotta get into this. All right, I just got into this, and yo, I'm like, what? Like, yo, this thing is tight. Not gonna lie. I probably can't afford most of it, but maybe one day I will be able to. But let's just connect my wallet because it's fun to connect my wallet and pretend. Oh shit, wrong address, wrong password. Alright, so remember always you gotta make sure you're on the right network. This one does use the Ethereum network. Right? Yeah. Oh, fuck. There we go. Alright, so authenticate, sign it. now saying, yeah, we're good to go. Gotta send the confirmation email. Send confirmation. All right, cool. So it's gonna let me know. So we have the marketplace here. This is where your legacy starts. Exploring the marketplace is the best place to buy and own your very own racehorse. All right, and then we can take part in the races. You race against others and reign supreme. Work your way through Zed's racing classes and earn prize money along the way. Then we get the Genesis racehorses. So the Genesis is like the beginning, the goal, the number ones, the alpha. All right. So the Zed universe consists of a range of racehorses with varying bloodlines, breed types, and genotypes. So power up your Zed knowledge and learn more how to sharpen your racing skill and strategy. Man, I love fucking strategy games, yo. This is like, man, you want to talk? I wish I had the bread, active in my account for this, because I would definitely be going through everything with you guys. But stay tuned for that video, because I'm definitely gonna be spending some more time on Zed Run. So it's the stable settings and wallet balance to keep track of your digital wallet. It's easy on Zed. Top up or withdraw funds when needed and monitor all transactions from here. You have your ETH and ETH balance. ETH is WETH, that stands for wrapped Ethereum, wrapped ETH. All right, so down here you have your stable. All right, it's gonna give you information about the unique name to make you stand out in the Zed community. Keeps track of all of your racehorses' vital statistics, such as the career wins, win rate, and lifetime earnings. All right. Then here you get to place your racehorses. You'll be able to manage your racehorses, prepare them for racing, or enter them into the stud farm to start breeding with others. And here we go. So that is Zed Run. Your stable is currently empty. Yeah, I know. So send this to a friend and get 5% off their first racehorse. Say thanks, and we'll send you 5% off of yours. So we're gonna send it to. I don't have any friends. Man, I don't even know who I can send this to. If you're interested in being my friend for 5% off, hit me up with your email and I'll send this to you. Yeah, that sounds so pathetic. Oh my god. Alright. Now we're going to explore the marketplace. What does this arrow do? Oh, it just goes up. Alright, so we're going to explore the marketplace. So this is going to be all of the horses. Well, obviously that's sold out. We got to do that part. So we can go to OpenSea to buy your racehorse today. So let's go check that out. So we got Zed Run. We have different racehorses that you can get, so you can buy them here. And how much is this one? All right, that's not too bad. I think I can afford that. I think. I want to make sure my horse is good though. I just don't want to get like no whack horse though. You know what I mean? Like, look at this one. This one's 0.2. That's $400 horse. You know. My $50 horse gonna be able to run up against this $400 horse? You know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, look at this one. This is a $2,000 horse, yo. Like, man, this is oh my god, it's a $3,800 horse. All right, so you're gonna say like, oh well, what is this for? What is this, man? I'm gonna show you the best fucking part. All right, I'm gonna show you the best part. So stud service, obviously this is where you go to breed your horse. So essentially, I guess a good strategy would be to like get the young horses of like winners, and then like maybe grow them up or breed them with other good horses, and then you can get like a Genesis style horse for a good price, essentially. I don't know, but here you can see you can select mates. Yeah, see? I told you. How many races, their career, their win rate, and all of that. Offspring, they have no offspring. Right, so let's actually like see who's racing right now. Oh, do I really gotta confirm my email address to see racing? I don't think so. No. Let's go racing. Yo, this part is actually really freaking cool. So, oh, we got live races going on right now. The pool is $27. All right. Let's watch this in 3D. You ready? You ready? You ready? And we're off to the races. And a 1 and a 2, and the race is over. Shit. I was too late. Alright, we're gonna try another race, yo. Hold on. We're gonna pick another race. Let's go to another race. This one's live. Oh, we got a big pool. It's a $100 pool right now for this race. Let's see where they're at. Oh, nice. Boom. We are at the 1,000. Yeah, we're at 1,000 meters. So, in first place, we have the last American. We have Casarosa in number 2. Elite Shotgun in 3. I'm a Baymax man for 4. and some other names. Why you gotta be weird, crazy names? We got Digibyte, Gary Lou, Spirited Bell, Queen Gambit, Like a Good Neighbor, Full Horse. Okay. So race is looking really good. We got race is looking really good. We have Digibyte. Digibyte looks like he's in the lead. Digibyte's in the lead. All right, then we got Life a Good Neighbor coming up for second. Coming up. Oh, Queen Gambit's coming up right there. Coming up. Queen Gambit going for the win. Full Horse is not too far behind. We're at the 300-meter mark. We got a tight race neck to neck. Queen Gambit's in first. But it looks like there's somebody in the pack round. Oh, Full House is falling down. Like a Good Neighbor is going down. Digibyte's falling back. Full Horse is going back. All right, Queen Gambit's coming. It's coming. It looks like it's gonna get the win at the finish line. 1, 2, 3, go! That was my first time ever doing a horse race, guys. Sorry if that sounded terrible, but here we go. That was it. I hope you enjoyed. We have Queen Gambit as the winner, and boom, that is it. This is Cryptechology. I hope you enjoyed this special edition this week. I went over a lot of different things, and man, I showed you some ways you can level up. I showed you some ways you can yield some tokens, and how you can enjoy some blockchain gains as well and make a little money. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you really enjoyed videos like this. I will be doing some more. But don't forget, show off your blockchain skills. This is added to my on-chain resume. I'm Simon, and I'll catch you on the next one.